Bragg cannot prove his case. Got no evidence. And I'm innocent. This is a political witch hunt. And nobody's ever seen anything like it. And it's, I tell you what, the appellate division on the judges should step in, because what this judge is getting away with is disgraceful.
So the former president with his son Eric in the courtroom, and Eric is sitting right behind his father, and he tweeted out about Cohen's testimony saying, "I have never seen anything more rehearsed." Remember, Trump's legal team is going to get a chance to cross-examine Michael Cohen at some point, whether that happens today, depending on how long the prosecution's direct questioning lasts. Sean, Emma?
All right. Haven't got to the point about the Stormy Daniels alleged payments, so we'll wait and see when we'll hear from that. John, thanks so much for that update. For more on Trump's criminal trial, let's welcome in now legal panel, Dwane Cates, an attorney joining us, Gerard Flaherty, senior counsel with the Lawfare Project. All right, Dwane, can we start with you here today? Talk to us about these latest developments here, these conversations allegedly that were taking place between Michael Cohen and David Pecker here. What stands out to you?
Oh, I mean, of course, that was Cohen's job, was to communicate with David Pecker and to negotiate deals and to do things that would further Donald Trump's political ambitions. And of course he was doing that, and it's nothing more than any other political candidate will do. Everybody tries to control the narrative. Everybody tries to control the press and get their message out. That's not new. That's not illegal. That's not a problem.
Gerard, your thoughts so far on perhaps how long this case will run out, how long the prosecution may want to take with Michael Cohen? Do they want to walk this out for the long haul? Do they want to get in and out? What would be the strategy?
Well, the prosecution right now needs to show that Michael Cohen was intimately involved with all transactions Trump, that he knew the players, that he was involved with them, that he has personal knowledge of what Donald Trump was doing, who he was doing it with, and why. So this is going to take a day. This is going to take 2 days, and then we get into cross. And beyond that, the prosecution may not be resting after this because they may not get everything that they need from Michael Cohen. They still need to tie in Donald Trump to something illegal, and they simply have not done that.
You know, we were talking about this earlier, just sort of how Cohen's being described on the stand. And Dwane, I wanted to get your perspective on that. Speaking slowly, carefully, deliberately here, really taking the time to answer attorneys' questions here. What's the strategy behind that?
He's already been to prison once for perjury, and I think he's trying to walk a very thin line and trying not to get caught for perjury again. I mean, you know, he's got no, I mean, I don't know how he can have personal knowledge of how the transactions were put on Trump's books. That's the whole case. I don't know how he could know that.
Is this it, Gerard? I mean, Michael Cohen, testimony, prosecution, is this the last hope, if you will, to finally drive the nail in the coffin?
It may well be, because we don't know what else is on deck. And if there's no personal knowledge here, you're left with a directed verdict that's going to be asked for and may be given.
All right. We'll keep following updates. There could be some more throughout the remainder of this hour. Gerard Flaherty and Dwane Cates, thank you very much. All right, still to come. West Virginia is seeing a massive decline in population. Now, some suggesting the state could take in migrants to combat the workers' crisis. Is this a realistic solution? Our border panel weighs in next.
Information. Truth. Is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.
I have a dog. Her name is Bailey. She has a lot of energy, so she requires me to take her on walks. I would recommend Balanced Nature to everyone. It really is an amazing product.
I feel full of life. My friends are like, don't you ever stop. I tell everybody about Balanced Nature. I feel like everybody ought to take them.
I've been taking Balanced Nature supplements for over 3 years. I feel better, and it's amazing.
Get 35% off your first order as a preferred customer when you use discount code Newsmax.
If you have Graves' disease, your eye symptoms could mean something more. That gritty feeling can't be brushed away. Even a little blurry vision can distort things, and something serious may be behind those itchy eyes. Up to 50% of people with Graves' could develop a different condition called thyroid eye disease, which should be treated by a different doctor. See an expert. Find a TED eye specialist at isitted.com.
Do you owe over $10,000 in back taxes? Kevin Sorbo here with an important message. The Biden administration has proposed an $80 billion plan to boost IRS collections. This means they could garnish your wages, levy your bank account, and even seize your property. Tax Network USA, a trusted tax firm, can help protect your income.
Superbeats Advanced Heart Chews with a clinically researched dose of CoQ10, plus the grapeseed extract you love for 2-in-1 healthy blood pressure support. Why take CoQ10 separately when you can enjoy twice the benefits and the added power of CoQ10? The choice is simple. We're Superbeats, the #1 cardiologist-recommended beat brand for heart health support. Get a free month supply on all bundles at trysuperbeats.com.
Do you have a box of videotapes, film reels, or photos that are degrading? Legacy Box professionally converts them to DVDs, thumb drive, or the cloud. Legacy Box is simple and safe, with over 1 million satisfied customers. Visit legacybox.com.
West Virginia facing an epidemic of aging population and unfilled